Hey guys! In today's video, I would like to talk about SEO, search engine optimization. User experience is crucial for SEO success. Ensure that your website is mobile friendly, loads quickly, and offers a seamless browsing experience across different devices. Focus on intuitive navigation, clear call to action, and engaging content to keep visitors on your site longer. Optimize for voice search. How can you do it? Optimize your content for voice queries by using natural language and long-tail keywords. Consider creating FAQ style content that directly answers common voice search queries. Create high-quality, comprehensive content. Focus on articles, blog posts, guides that provide value to your audience. Use relevant keywords naturally and incorporate multimedia elements such as videos, images, infographic in order to enhance engagement. Embrace structured data because it helps search engines understand the context and content of your web pages better. Implement the schema markup to provide additional information about your content, such as reviews, ratings, prices, and events. This can enhance your chances of appearing in rich snippets and knowledge graphs. Optimize for core web vitals. Pay attention to metrics such as loading speed, interactivity, visual stability, and try to minimize code and compress images, and utilize browser caching techniques. Leverage AI. AI technologies are playing an increasing role in search engine algorithms. Use AI-powered tools to analyze data, identify trends, and optimize your SEO strategies. AI can help with keyword research, content optimization, and competitor analysis. Establish credibility and ranking for your website. Demonstrate your expertise through authoritative content, author bios, and external references. This increases. Also, don't forget to add privacy policy on your page and testimonial because it helps your website to look trustworthy. Optimize for feature snippets. Feature snippets often appear at the top of search engines, search results, and can boost your website's visibility. Identify the common feature question in your niche and create content that directly answers them. Structure your content using headers, bullet points, and concise paragraphs to increase the chances of being featured. Enhance for local SEO. Optimize your Google My Business profile. Include location-specific keywords in your content and encourage online reviews. Leverage local directory and ensure monitor and analyze performance through Google Analytics and Search Console. And don't forget to add Google Analytics 4 because after June, I believe, June or July, then it will roll over to Analytics 4. So before that, try to add the code on your website. Optimize your website for mobile-first indexing. With the mobile-first indexing approach, search engines prioritize the mobile version of your website for indexing and ranking. Ensure that your website is fully optimized for mobile devices and aligned with mobile friendliness like easy navigation, fast loading speed, and responsive design. So always use responsive design for both mobile, iPad, and of course desktop or your website. Leverage video content. Add video to your website. Optimize video title, description, tags with relevant keywords. Post videos on platforms like YouTube and embed them on your website for increased reach. Focus on ecosystem optimization. You see, SEO is not limited to optimizing your website alone. Pay attention to your entire digital ecosystem, including social media profiles, online directories, and review sites. Optimize these platforms by providing accurate and consistent information, engaging with users, and encouraging positive reviews. Invest in influencer marketing. Influencer marketing can impact your SEO efforts. Collaborate with relevant influencers in your industry to amplify your brand reach. I mean, if you're selling cosmetics and try to get DIY communities in regards to cosmetics, try to ask them to join you because it helps you with broader reach and gets you more organic clients. In return, you can offer them some percentage cheaper, or you can send them some samples of your product to showcase on their channels on YouTube, for example. There are a lot of DIY ladies and gentlemen who promote cosmetics online. So that would be great, not just on YouTube, on TikTok and Instagram, Facebook. Actually, TikTok and Instagram currently are more powerful, in my opinion. I've been working on campaigns and they give great result for my clients. User data security and privacy are very important. So try to ensure your website has encrypted sensitive information, SSL, and follows best practices for security. Optimize your website for visual search. Visual search meaning optimize your images by adding descriptive alt tags, file names, and captions. Use high quality images and consider implementing visual search functionality on your website. Leverage social signals. Social signals can indirectly influence your search ranking. Build an active presence on social media platforms relevant to your target audience. Share and promote your content, engage with users, and encourage social sharing. This can help increase brand visibility, drive traffic. I'm not talking about bots like Twitter. The majority of traffic from Twitter are bots. It's just useless. But I encourage you to use LinkedIn. See which social channel brings more result. And as a result, you can gain valuable backlinks. Try when you have a blog section on your website, make sure that your content is over 1,500 words. Before it used to be 500 words a few years ago. Now, the longer content, the better it is. How can you do it? I mean, you have to just show your expertise, demonstrate your expertise, and break up the content with subheadings, bullet points, visuals to enhance readability. I mean, whatever business you are in, try to have quality content about your business. I mean, the internet is filled with a lot of different things. I mean, or if you are into clothing, talk about fashion today in 2023 or whatever year you are, because this video will be there, so you might land on this video in 2025. So see, if it's about selling shoes, talk about shoes. If about we don't have so many websites about men fashion. The majority are talking about women, and we lack content, true content. They're just pages with images without any descriptive fashion for men in different seasons. That could be a great idea, because then you will be the authority figure within your niche about men clothing, fashion for men or boys and in such manner, or kids. Another thing is utilize user-generated content, UGC. This can boost your SEO, like authentic content. I mean, encourage users to leave reviews and comments and testimonial on your website. Showcase your user-generated content on your site and social media platform to increase engagement and trust. And make sure to be updated with search engine algorithms. Google keeps, not just Google, Yandex, Bing, Baidu, all this DuckDuckGo. These are search engines. In order for them to attract more and more users to their search engines, they keep changing algorithms in order to make their search engine more user-friendly. I mean, just implementing AI to search engine and machine learning, deep learning are not enough, because the algorithm should be trained in such a way that make the environment user-friendly for users, so users don't go after the other search engine, competitor search engine, and use their search engine, if you know what I mean.